Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup tutorial. This is an updated one from my last one. There's a couple things that I do now that I didn't used to do, so I'm just going to show you how I got this look, and if you're interested, just keep watching. We're starting with primer, and I'm going to use my No Pore Blem primer by Touch in Soul. Yeah, let's try this out. This is actually my first time using it. I got it in my BoxyCharm box, so we're just going to test this out today. Now I'm taking my favorite Tinted Moisturizer by Mercier, and I'm going to dot that on my face like this. Actually, I need to get a new one. I'm running out. So I'm just putting 3 dots because I don't want to put on too much. I want this to be like really like natural. I'm going to take this flat brush. I wish I could tell you the name, but I really don't know. But it's by Real Techniques. And it's just a flat brush like this. And I'm just going to blend that out. I like using a tinted moisturizer daily because I just feel like it's super light on the face. It doesn't feel like you're wearing too much makeup, but it definitely blurs out a lot of like the imperfections on the face and kind of just smooths you out. Now after that, I'm going to be using my Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, and I'm gonna put a bit under my eyes like this. I'll bring it up the side of my nose as well, covering any marks on my forehead that I see, and then here and a bit on my chin. Now I'm going to take this brush by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just going to buffer that in. Now I'm taking a light feather brush, and I'm going to use my Fit Me loose finishing powder, and I like to use this to set my makeup just because I'm not trying to bake. I'm just trying to make sure that my makeup is matte. So I'm just going over the areas where I just put concealer. And next, I'm going to contour with my NYX Cosmetics You Sculpted Contour Kit, and I'm taking the medium contour color, and I'm gonna mix it with the soft contour just to mute that down a bit. I'm trying not to make the worst face right now. Going on my temples, cheeks, and forehead. Okay, and then I'm also gonna put a bit on the sides of my nose. And I'm going all the way up to basically my brow, just so that the contour is seamless, and then I'm bringing it down like this. A little bit underneath and a little bit right on top. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little bit of contour to my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be highlighting with my LOreal highlight. This is in the shade Pixie Pearl. And I'm going to just put that right over my contour. Okay, and once I'm looking like a glazed donut, I'm going to use a bit of blush. And I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Blush in the shade Soft Sun. And this blush, really soft pink, but it also has some gold highlight in it as well. So I feel like it makes me really glowy. And I'll put a little bit at the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to use my lip pencil by Wet n Wild in the shade Pretty and Mink, and I'm going to outline my lips. And now I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. Mascara, and I'm using my Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. There's one last thing that I must do at the very end, because I feel like when you're doing your makeup, your eyebrows could just get a little bit lighter because of the fact that makeup is like falling on them. So I like to use a brow gel, and I'm using the one by Benefits, Gimme Brow, and I'm just brushing my hairs. So this is it. This is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while, but I am back and I'm going to try to be more consistent. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this tutorial. I'll see you guys soon.